Hi everyone! This is like a part 2 to everything that I bought at Hobby Lobby. If you haven't seen part 1, go check that one out because I got some really cool stuff there. So, in this one, let's start off with this fabric. I fell in love with this fabric. I do not know what I'm going to make with it, but I just had to buy it. I thought it was just absolutely beautiful. This is one I wish I knew how to sew. I would totally make me like a little top little cover shirt. I think it would be really pretty. So this one was 1/4 of a yard and it was on sale, so it came out to $4.54 for this swatch of gorgeous fabric right here. So I don't think that's too bad for that. And then I did find some little clearance charms right here that I thought would be really pretty. I had recently bought a mystery box of Maggie Holmes from American Crafts, so I thought that this would work very well for that. So those were 86 cents. I think I might have one more of those. I'll have to double check. Then I found these, and these string beads were 50% off. So look at, they're like little velvety, tiny little beads right here. I was looking for a size. No, but it gives me the size of the rope, I guess. So, yeah. I don't know. I just thought these were beautiful. Oh, I know what I could do. Duh. I could bring out my little bead measurer here. So they're like 4mm beads. So, love those. I think I got a couple strings of those. Let me pull this out. Yeah. I got 2 strings of those. And then, like I said, I wanted to do some Maggie Holmes projects that I knew I wanted to do because I got those mystery boxes. And look at these. These are beautiful little swans. And then you get the extra little bead, like a spacer bead, and then you got a swan, then a spacer, then the swan. I just thought these were gorgeous. So I didn't know how many little like sets of stuff I wanted to make. So I got 2 of the swans. And these were $5.50 and then, you know, minus 50% off. And then I had said that I wanted to make myself a black and white Maggie Holmes project. So I thought these were gorgeous and would go beautifully because she does have some black and white paper. So I thought that would work perfect. And this was $7.99 minus the 50% off. And then this one, look at how pretty. This stuff was expensive. $5, but look at how pretty that is. I just thought that this was gorgeous. There's all different sizes of flowers on here. And then every so often there's like little leaves. You can see it right here on the little string. I just thought this was absolutely beautiful. So worth $5? I don't know, but I just had to have it because I thought it was that pretty. Oh, look, here's another little clearance item. This little beautiful bow. I was so happy it wasn't in pink that I had to buy it. So it was $1.74. I thought that was a really good deal. And then let me find some more stuff. Here it is. I knew I had another one of those. And then I thought this was beautiful. Like I've said many times, Sunny Boy always buys me blue flowers. So this has pink and blue on here. So I bought this specifically for me because I wanted the blue flower. But I thought this would go really well with the Maggie Holmes too. So I could get rid of the pink in here. So got that one. And then there was this one that I just thought was really pretty as well. It does have big old pink flowers. But look at these like white ones right here. I just thought this was really cool. I don't know why. It just like reminded me of like a bracelet. So I just thought that was really, really pretty. So that was $6.50 and then minus the 50% off. So in finding this one and falling in love with this one, I found these bead kits right here. And I was like, it's not going to be as pretty as this, but I can totally make this using these. So this one was $5. And then look at all the different flower beads in here. They are different shapes, different sizes. So I thought that was really interesting right there. These are flat backs that I don't know if there's a hole in there or not. So I'm going to have to like play with those and see if it's an actual bead. It might be. That white one right there kind of looks like there's a hole. So it might be a bead also. And then Same thing right here. Like, look at all these different leaves in different colors and different shapes and sizes. Like, how fun is that? So this one was $9. I can't remember if I said that this one was $5. So with these two, I can totally remake this and make a lot more between these two kits. So I thought that would be really fun. And then, oh, it's inside. So inside on my little desk that I work on in there, I bought this vase that has been sitting empty. I bought it because it's a little vase and it has gorgeous little flowers on it. And it's just been sitting empty because I don't know what to put in there. Like, I could put one Pokie tool in there and then that's all that fits. It's this really small little vase that I just fell in love with. So I was watching Facebook, and I don't remember what group I was on, and this lady made mini bead flowers and was putting them in vases and selling them at like craft fairs, and I fell in love. So I'm like, I can totally recreate that. She used just the regular seed beads as her stem, but I bought these that are like long skinny little tubes. So I figured I could maybe need like maybe 2 of these and then put the flower on top. So I will totally make a video doing that because I thought that would be really fun. So I'm like, this is skinny enough that I might be able to get like 2 or 3 in my little vase. So I thought that would be really great. Then I could go ahead and use these flowers that I also bought. I could go ahead and use some of these smaller leaves that I got over here. So that's my plan for that. And then these I just thought were so adorable. It was over on an end cap in the jewelry section. And these were $3.50, but they look like little totes. Like, how cute were these? I thought these little mini totes were adorable. I was like, oh my gosh, I could totally use these. So I got those. You guys know I love Disney. Stitch is one of my favorite characters, and it's so hard to find Stitch and Scrump. So I saw these stickers for $1.99, and there are puffy stickers in here. So it says over 300 stickers. Oh, it doesn't show you. Oh, it says 4 sheets. Okay, I had to open it because I had to see what's going on. There's Angel in here too. Like, look at Stitch, so cute. So June 26th is actually Stitch Day because his number is 626. So cute. So I think it's just a repeat. So yeah, this exact puffy sticker is this next sheet right here. And this one is different, I believe. And let's see the last one. Yep, that one's different too. So super cute. Ton of little stickers. I got 2 of those because I was like, the more Stitch stickers for me, the better. We do find him from time to time on the cruise ship, and in Disney California, they have like a Disney Visa card holder character meet and greet that you don't know who's going to end up being there, and Stitch is there a lot of the time as well. So I have tons of photos with Stitch that I could totally use these for. And then also in the clearance, I found the sticker book, and this came out to $4.24. Oh my gosh, if they had more, I would have bought them all out. Because look at these stickers. This has like blue hollow in it. And I'm just like obsessed. So yeah, if there was more, I totally would have bought them all out. Here's Scrump. Here's Angel. They're just so fun. Then it's like alphabets over here. Oh, some like little icons. Oh, cute. Some like little phrases. Oh my gosh, like little strips. Adorable. More Stitch. Oh my gosh, him with the little glasses right here. Do a quick little flip through. Pizza. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I totally would have bought them all out if there was more. Then there's just like little pages back here. Absolutely adorable. Love that. That was an awesome find. Over where like, oh, I think it was in the previous video, I got the little like acrylic bookmarkers and stickers. So in that same little like sublimation area, I got this pack. So I've seen these bags at Dollar Tree, and you get one for what, $1.50 now. So they had this mesh bag set for $2.50, and the only one that came in this like 4-pack was black and white. So I don't know why I picked black. Now that I think about it, I'm like, my craft room and like this that I tried buying for it is white and clear. So I'll probably go back and buy the white ones. But the black ones I could use for like Halloween stuff. So you get, oh, I thought it would tell me the sizes. It doesn't. It just says it's a 4-piece. So we get like the small bag, little bigger size, may say medium, then large, and then like an extra large bag. So I thought this would be really nice to kind of just help get me organized. And then I was like walking by and I saw this like shining at me, and I was like, that is beautiful. So it got all crinkled. I don't like when they put like stuff like this in the bag and then it gets all like all folded and crinkled. So I should have paid attention and pulled it out to not get all messed up. But I just thought it was really, really pretty. Gonna save that for Halloween time. It was $1.99 for this hollow vinyl. So this one does not go on sale because it does have that yellow sticker to it. I think we're right at the end of everything that I got. So I think the rest of this is Paper Studio. So just wait for Paper Studio to be on sale to pick up all this stuff. So like I said, I'm a sucker for anything with blue flowers and blue bows. So I got this little sticker set, $3.50 minus, I think it goes 40% off. And then again right here with the blue flowers and the blue bows. See, there's the blue flowers down there. So I had to grab that one. And oh, interesting. This one was more expensive than this one. Huh, and you get 200 pieces over here. That's really interesting. Like, this always amazes me. Like, how is this one cheaper and has 200 pieces? This one says it only has 150 pieces. That always catches me off guard. I find interesting. I should have put this in the first video. In the first video, I got the washi and the sticker book that matched this. So this is, again, like vintage seasonal little pieces. So I thought that was really cute. Had to grab that one. This one, let me see. This is 100 pieces and it was $3 and then minus the 40% off. This one says 100 pieces and was $3. And in this one has a lot of pink, but oh, here there was a playing card and the pretzel, the little croissant and lobster. So there's a lot of pieces in here that I thought would be really good for like me. I want to get it back into scrapbooking, but there's some stuff in here that I didn't like this howdy and like this pink coffee. I love coffee but don't like pink, so I probably wouldn't use that. Oh, look, there's a little seahorse and Chinese food. So just really cute stuff. Like the rollerblade I probably wouldn't use either. So, or that big old rainbow, probably wouldn't use that either. So there was that one. Then this was 100 pieces for $3.50 and it looks like vinyl, like washi kind of stickers. So I just thought that was really pretty. Then this matches again from the first video. I got the washi and the sticker book that matches this. And I just thought, again, with the blue flowers and the blue bows, that I had to have that one. So I got that. Look at that bouquet right there. Beautiful. Love that. And then this does have gold foiling in there also. So really pretty on that. And then the last one I got, I don't understand why this one is so much more. Look, it was $4.50. Why is this $4.50? Again, only 100 pieces. But I don't see any foiling in here. Like, this has no foiling, so why is it more expensive, but yet you still get 100 pieces? I don't understand. But bows are always needed, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. And that is literally it, guys. Yep, that is everything that I picked up. Like I said, this is part 2. There was a part 1 because I got a whole lot of stuff this time around. So definitely go check out both videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.